Brother.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm hyped to have you, bro.
Can't breathe. Can't breathe.
Really?
Like that.
Why is that? You a star, though. That's the thing, you a star. Even without me, you a star. 100%. God has big plans for you, bro.
Yeah.
Big plans. I seen your page, I was like, man. I said we was looking for Ashton or African Ashton Hall. I wanted to just come out here and bless a creator. You're not working right now?
Huh?
You're not working? You don't have a job?
I don't have job cause both my parents were dead. Yeah.
Both your parents
passed
away?
Parent. Yeah. My father was dead when I was 6 years old.
When your mom passed away, how old were you?
15 years old.
15?
Yeah.
Sorry to hear that, bro. You got the degree?
Yeah.
You finished already?
No, I'm still studying.
Really?
Yeah.
You should drop out.
Yeah.
You lit now.
Yeah.
You don't need school no more.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie to you. You don't need school no more, brother.
Yeah.
You start your own school. Your school is motivating all of the world. Seen your post probably like, I think it was 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago went crazy.
Yeah.
100 million views. 100 million. Did you expect that?
No.
Did you ever do a routine video before that or no? That was your first routine video? Really? 100 million. And they want to see your routine. You need to post a routine every day, bro. But you only posted twice in the last 6 days. We're gonna help you. 100%. Y'all have my people filming and everything for you. Because the world wants to know your story. You need to start pushing your story every single day.
All right, we got it somewhere.
Every day. Because your physique crazy.
Everybody got to.
They don't understand that. You know what I'm saying?